name is Dane Mosel. I'm the Marketing Product Specialist for Hesston by Massey Ferguson. Today I want to introduce you to the 2200 series large square balers. No matter the size or needs of your operation, we have a baler that suits you. The 2250 is our 3x3 option, which is available with or without the ProCut. Our 3x4 balers, the 2270 and 2270 XD, are also available with or without the ProCut. And finally, our 4x4 baler, the 2290. For more information on these individual balers, please visit your local Hesston by Massey Ferguson dealer or go to masseyferguson.us.